I bought 3 completely broken items from eBay, and today I'm going to fix them. This camcorder might be completely dead. This iron looks new, but does it work? This fryer doesn't even turn on. But if I can fix them, you get a bargain. If I can't, then I've just wasted my money. So let's find out. Fix or fail. Hello, welcome to Fix or Fail. Here I have Polaroid HD 720p digital camcorder, and says it does not turn on. So let's dive in and have a look. Let's see what we've got in here. So we do have indeed camcorder, charging cable, some nice cables, some more nice cables. I'll come in handy for the computer, and obviously that would be handy if I wanted to plug it into the TV. No, nothing. Oh, nothing. So let's leave that there. Let's that there. And get rid of the box, yep. The box is away. Right, let's see. Looks in reasonably good condition. No scratches in the lens. There's no scratches whatsoever. Nice. Right, let's see. Screen looks okay. Power button. Let's see if anything happens. Nope, nothing. Here's how. Right. Let's get this plugged in. There we go. You do have a red LED light comes on. And it goes straight back off. Whoa! Alright then, so it's no faulty. That came on straight away. Wow. Let's plug that in here. Let's plug that. Here. And then there's that USB in. Plug that. So sitting at 0.7 volt, 0.67 amps, up to 70, and back down to 60. Let's see what happens when I turn it on. Nothing. If you're still watching up to this part, thank you. Remember, like and subscribe. So, as you can see, I didn't talk much there. So the voltage was showing 3.3 volts. So what I decided to do was get my thingamajigger, can't remember what it's called, and then put voltage into it. Try to wake the battery up. Aye. So I'll let you go back to Silent Bob. So now it's starting up with the battery, because I think I woke it up. I think, no. Right, let's see what's happening here now. So the battery is taking a charge. I'll move on to the next problem in the next clip. Right, so I know why it's not turning on. Because if you put in the SD card, i.e. this one, that'll no start. So put the SD card in, and power it up. Nothing happens. And it is power in the battery. Take this out, pull the battery out, and put it back in, and then it powers up. There you go. So if you take that one out, and then put in, no, I don't care what it is. Put that one there. That's somewhere. Or is it because, no, it's a wee cheap number. Cheap. So take that, bang in, and then turn this off. Turn it off. It's crashed. So we put the cheap and cheerful one in, and then turn it on. There we go. That's that one fixed. That was an easy fix. Goodbye. Turns off when you shut it down itself. So I didn't have to do much with that. It was just an SD card picture. So there you go. So since that one is fixed, we'll move on to the next one, which is the iron. Blood, sweat and tears went into this one. Enjoy your viewing. Iron. It wasn't switching on, I don't think. I gave it a quick test. Let's have a look inside. Let's see what we've got. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, yeah, that needs to be nonsense. Right, so we have iron and some instructions. However, it doesn't look like it's been used, even though there is remnants of water in it. Don't know if you can see that. See it? That way in the back there. A little bit of water. A little bit of water. A shame it didn't come with the wee fuller bottle. Oh well. Let's plug it in. We'll see if the elements will heat up. No lights came on. Don't do this at home, children. If you're going to do it at home, get a responsible adult. Like me. How you get... I don't know. I think this has been used because that looks absolutely fucking scraped and well used. Nevertheless, we'll give that a good clean. Yeah. So we have got a screw there. Looks like it's a hex screw. I don't know. Oh man, how come I move? Always make sure you put your stuff back after you've used it. Saves it getting lost. Ouch. Oh, I cut myself. That look shit. So I need to be careful. Oh, that's a peach. Oh, well. Okay, looks like I feel like fear, but it's not. That much stuff in. Negatory, positive. Let's see if you've got continuity. Yeah. So that's the Earth. So, right. I think I know what it is. We can see. Should be pitch. Because oh, there's. How am I going to do this without making flames or something? That's good. But they'll get that. With that is like something like this. All that. That's enough. I can feel it. And the light just went out. So I think it's got something to do with this. I think this has been took off and put back on the wrong way. Hence why it wasn't working. So I went through all that and got a sore finger for hee haw. Oh well, it is what it is. Well, let's get that put there. Can what I'll do? I'll let that cool down because I don't want to burn my fingers. So you'll see me in the next clip. Still with a sore finger and putting all this back together. Right. So that's cooled down. So you'll see me do this in a reverse instead of fast forward. Something different. So let's do it. Sleeves rolled up and reverse. Right, so now that we've got this working again, we can put this back in the box and move on to the next item. So the next item is this deep fat fryer, which I'm not really a big fan of deep fat fryers, but thought, well, may as well give it a bash. It's not big, tiny. So let's plug it in and see what the problem is. I'll put that like that. And plug it in. So I can hear the switch turning on, but the light isn't coming on. I went through all the temperatures, but nothing's coming on. So we'll check the fuse. Just make sure it's unplugged. Open this up without stabbing myself. Um, I have. Maybe use it to so I don't want to break them. Do this. Yeah, and there we go. We have 10 amp fuse, and let's see what this is. Let's see it. Let's try and zoom in. Zoom in nothing. Let's see. Right, 10 amps right down the bottom here. So let's get an about it. Back. For some reason you can't hear this beep through my mic, so I will try and rectify it at some point, but I don't know how to do that because I don't know. Well, let's check the fuse. Yep, the fuse is good. So we can most definitely take the fuse out of the equation. Got this out. It's never been used. And you can smell. You smell the fat in it, like it's disgusting. And it's just normal screws with a couple of security screws. Anyway, I'll zoom you back out so you can see. There you go. Couple of security screws and two screws at the top. Let's get on that out. Ah, Yes, hazard. So let's check continuity through plug. Yep. So we've got continuity. Everything from the positive side. However, maybe I'm checking the wrong place. Don't really want to take all these cable ties out. Goes there, comes down and across. So we're not getting continuity there, but nothing there. So as we can see, oh, you can't see that. You can see we've got our positive coming this way and here, and going round into this little key, which then goes to the switch. I wonder because, let's see, no, it's not. Go to the light, sorry. So let's take this, slide it out, because I don't really want to. I have to. Right, I think it's connected in there. Well, that's what. And I don't have a set of pliers. Yeah. Let's see. Test this bit of the cable to here, to here. Nothing. So it tells me, I think it's down here, and this, I think it's stuck. Now that would help if I had the meter turned on now. Try that again. I think it's broke in here. That's what I think. So we must have something. I don't even know what that is. Some sort of diode. Yep, that's right. So that must be the thermostat. That is the thermostat. I really need to get that. Well, um, I use. What can I use? What would you transfer over? It's definitely blowing, whatever it is. Well, I don't have any of them, so I need to come back somehow. So the switch, the on and off switch works. On, beach, turn that off, nothing, which is good. So I need to find a way to get this bolt out. Well, it is a thermal fuse. So I need to order one of them and get it installed because this one is kaput. And I'm not too sure what the range is. I think I'm going to go for a 200 degrees one. I think. Hello and welcome back. I have picked up the thermostat fuses for this deep fat fryer, the Swan one. So let's see if we can reuse the clamps. I don't know what they're called. So let's get in about it. Have a look. Bing bang bosh. Let's see. We need to chop that. Well, not chop it off, but try and pry this open. And then we'll pry it back down. Because I don't want to use solder because it's a thermostat. And obviously, if it gets too hot, then I don't know what's going on with my camera. So let's see if we can get this open. Maybe easier if I can pull this out. Can I pull it out? Or is there solder in there? Wouldn't be solder in there. Maybe something small. Maybe something like this. This is where I stab myself. I don't want to be doing that. Not today. So we'll try and open up this and this, get it reconnected. Obviously I'll need to connect it down here, because that's where it was originally. So I'll be back once I've got these off. As you can see, it looks like there is actually solder on that, I think. Not 100% sure. It looks like it. We'll soon find out once I put my solder iron on it, just to see if it melts it. So I'll be back. I've just soldered that side on, so I'm just going to solder this side on, just so you can see how not to do it. Just turn up this end, and then, sorry if you can't see that. Well, no. I need to try and get this over here. Rinse that up a wee bit. There we go. I don't really see much. Not really, can I do much? It's in this one. Excuse the camera work. I know it's terrible. On. Have an idea. Shitload of soda. Tweezers. You. Oh. Right, I just want to see if this will switch on. Just as it is. Let's just plug this in. Yes, look at that. Light is on. Because you want to get hot down there. So I'll put some of this on these two joints. Captain tape. Don't know how effective it will be of reducing heat, but we'll see. And we'll be like, oh, you can't do that. I wouldn't be doing that. Well, guess what? You take this nut off, and then take. I could probably just electrocute myself. Let's turn that off. Never turned it off and I got a wee shot. Ow. Right, I'll be back with something. Something. I'll be back. Yeah, okay, I've got some tools. So we'll check it's unplugged. Yes, it is. So I put that wee heat shrink thing back on. Let's take this bolt off. When this root, looks like a screw it. Yep. So that screws out. We'll plop that under here to make sure the thermostat is actually in the proper place, which is there. Yep. Yep, that seems about right to me. Washer on, not on. What I do is I want to put that roughly a bit like that. Keep everything away from elements. So keep that up there like that. We'll tighten this up. Yeah, moving the camera, sorry about that. There we go. Right. Let's put this piece off. I know what I need to do. I need to get some cable ties and cable tie all this back together so it's out the way, so nothing gets cooked. A wee cable tie there, put that back there like that. So there we have it. We have a T-file, well not T-file, but give this a good clean. Give this a good degunge. Well, to say degunge, just a wee clean. Put some isopropyl alcohol. There we have it. One working like Swan try it. Look at that. Yes. And all it was the thermal fuse. So if you would like to see more content like this and game consoles, please help the channel by liking and subscribing and hitting the bell sign. You'll get notifications when I get videos. Obviously, I don't post videos all the time because I work away, but when I'm not away, then I do make videos. So I'll try and keep videos coming as much as I can. So take it easy, and we'll see you in the next video. Pleasure.